Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing this winch on my MTD lawnmower. What we're gonna do is remove the muffler. We're later gonna get a new muffler, so stay tuned for that because it's gonna be a custom muffler thing, exhaust system. So it's gonna be put up here, and then we're gonna do some skid plate thing here. We won't be able to finish this install today, but we're gonna remove this and see how it would fit. So this winch is a 12 volt electric winch. It can pull 907 kilos on single wire. I think you can somehow dual wire it and do the double, but we're gonna install the controls up here, I think. On the other side, haven't decided, maybe here. So, and then install finished. No, not really, but yeah. Here's the other stuff. This, the hook, install plate. And yeah, fun fact, the winch costs 80 or 90 bucks. I bought the tractor for 50. Yeah. Now I'm gonna bring this into the little garage here. By the way, I got a pitbike here. We're ordering a new seat and stuff for that soon, like a new muffler. E30, that's it for here. You can kind of tell which ones are the winter projects. Now this shall go right down like that. Even the test fitting won't work that good. It's running into the exhaust pipe. That is a little hard to get away, but I'm trying. Looks like it's pretty big torques. And I don't think they have a big enough one. And it's gonna be pretty hard. Let me show you. You can see here, screw one, pretty hard to see. Then there's one behind there, that will be hard. Those will be extremely hard to remove without removing the entire engine. Or maybe we could just cut the exhaust off because we're redoing it. I'm gonna look at options. Turns out I was just stupid because this winch fits perfect right next to this pipe here, exhaust pipe, and we just gonna cut away a piece here and make the mounts. But that should be fine. So we're taking a little break from the subject of this video to show you this. This garage isn't mine, so I can't do anything to these problems. Here, if you look closely around the beams, here, water, or better said moisture, and look in the roof, water drops. If this was my garage, I would have put something to the inside to not make this condensating water drip down on BMWs, lawnmowers. But since it's not our garage, I can't do that. So we'll just keep going anyway. I mean, it doesn't get destroyed where you stand that off. So, but well, I just cut out a piece of my lawnmower. This here, so the winch can fit better. I just feel okay. It's pretty cold out here. But that's what's done. Now, first time cutting in this lawnmower, I guess. But probably not the last. I didn't film the fabrication process, but here's some pictures of it. We also needed to do a new exhaust. So, we have fabricated some stuff and now we're back out here and working on this. I'm gonna show what we fabricated in a moment. So we installed also, so we can remove the hood entirely. Install these Vago connectors so we could remove that completely. Cut some stuff out here. And this, let me show you, we're working on top of a trailer today. So I'm gonna show you this completed when it's not on the trailer. This is the new exhaust. That's where we ended up putting the muffler. I think it turned out pretty nice. This is the plate. It's gonna hold here. Hold the winch in place. Let me just bolt that in place real quick. Well, apparently we need to do more cutting behind here. But yeah, we'll take care of that and do the rest. And we're also gonna do an exhaust wrap on this exhaust here. That could be good to do before we bolt this in. This is only primed, not really painted, it's just primer on it. But that's gonna be nice to have a winch here. We can put the camera up and we can just hold the hood how it's gonna look. Pretty good, honestly. I'm gonna do a steel plate here too. That goes down and protects this. Then I can't wait to hear this exhaust either. Happy New Year! It's now 2025. It was 2024 when we filmed last time. So I have cut out over here now, so the wheel fits in, so I'm just gonna bolt it in place. It's so nice that it's kinda getting finished. Okay, so we're replacing the bolts that was here because those are self-threaders that went into this piece here in the muffler, but that doesn't work.
Bet you ain't noticed that. I took away my sight. I couldn't see my friend.
Thank you for watching. We're done, but not really done. I'm gonna finish the wiring off camera. Please leave a like and subscribe. See you.